Hello. We are inside a virtual studio in an application called MasterpieceVR. It is a program that allows you to paint or sculpt in virtual reality. This is obviously a virtual studio. You have several options of different environments. Here's just a plain gray grid. You can just make it a uniform color, or you can go back to the view of the ocean, which when you're in Nebraska is something that you can actually appreciate quite a lot. So I'm going to show you briefly what you can do. I'm looking at the palette here, and these are all the options. There's sculpting options, brushes. These are guides that help you draw straight lines and so on. You can even create virtual rooms where you can collaborate with other people and sculpt. There's also the option to set up an internal camera here that will allow you to see what I'm doing. And I just created that. I'm going to move this so we got a backdrop of looking at the ocean. This is me with my palette and my tools. I'm going to just show you briefly what it's like to sculpt something with this. This is just a sphere, wireframe sphere, and when I press the trigger, it's going to lay down some virtual clay. So here's what that looks like, and you can just make anything you want, really, just like you could with clay. You can change the size of your tool so you can twist it with that tool. You can shrink portions of it and smudge it by pulling on it. So you can do lots of different shaping activities with the tool, and of course you can move it around. I can walk underneath it. I can throw it over there. I can move it down here, and I can resize it, make it bigger or shrink it. Whatever you need to do. I'm going to center that, and it also has the ability to erase, and I'll show you what that is. And it also has the option for mixed reality. So you can see me in my room and watch me sculpt things. I'm going to change the color on that. This is pink. And there are different shapes, like here's a cube, so you can make things more square if you want, or a cylinder. Can even make a pyramid. And let's get rid of those. Okay. So, let me load a test sculpture that I did. And I'm going to turn it so you can see it better. And this is a Pacific white-sided dolphin. Make it a little bigger for you. And I can just walk all around it if I like. One of the problems without a green screen, the software will make the object disappear if I walk in front of it, but like that. But if I had a green screen, I could walk all around it and it wouldn't disappear. But anyway, let's turn that off and go back to the view of I think I will get rid of this camera, put it in the wastebasket, and we're back to my view. And now I can show you how it's possible to walk all around there. I can look underneath it. I can walk right up to it. And it's a lot of fun. And I'm just starting to use the software, so I'm really not very good at it yet, although the dolphin turned out okay. But I just started working with the water brushes, trying to make water. That's a little bit more difficult. Anyway, that's all I've got for you right now, and I am going to turn this around, and we'll make it big. And it's like a wave out of Hawaii, practically. So, hope you enjoyed seeing this little demo, and I'm going to have a good time learning how to use this stuff. Thanks for watching.